Today we're going to talk about a control pitch propeller, also known as a controllable pitch propeller, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. This piston at the end, some people might call it a servo motor, is going to move to the right or to the left depending upon where we send our hydraulic fluid. And if we play the animation, you can see that the blades on the propeller are changing position. What we're actually doing here is changing the angle, and we refer to the angle as the pitch. And if I change to this perspective, we can start to have a look at just how we change that linear motion to rotary motion. So the animation is playing again. You can see there, you can see it moving. As we get the linear motion here, we're getting rotary motion on our blades. This is where the propeller, the root of the propeller, attaches to our controllable pitch propeller mechanism. We actually call this the yoke. I'm going to hide it and show it. And if we invert the selection, you can see the yoke there. And out of these holes comes our hydraulic oil, our fluid. As we pump fluid into this space, it's going to push the piston to the right